Hello students. As per the given question, we need to denote the amount of investment in the marquee B as M in the dollars and John's limited as J in the dollars. And it's Garrett Spaghetti House as G in the dollars. So now we have the following constraints where M plus J plus G is equals to $96,000, which is we have a total of $96,000 to invest. So in the next constraint we have G is less than or equals to $12,000, and the next one is M is greater than or equals to J plus G, where we want to invest more in marquee B, where in the John Limited and the Garrett Spaghetti House combined. So now we need to calculate the annual interest earned by the each stock. So for Mark, it earns 16% of the interest. So the annual interest from the Mark is 0.16 into M. And for John's, they earn 7% annual interest. So the annual interest is equals to 0.07 into 7. And for Gallet Spaghetti, it is 6%, which is 0.06 into G. So in order to maximize the annual interest earned, we need to maximize the sum of the earned values of the each stock, which is given by the expression annual interest is equals to 0.16 into M plus 0.07 into J plus 0.06 into G. In order to maximize the annual interest, we need to find the value of M, J and G, and then that satisfies these constraints, and then we need to maximize the annual interest expression. So for that, let us start by considering this equation among the given constraints, where this means that M should receive at least as much investment as J and G houses combined. So let M is equals to J plus G. Here now let us rewrite the total investment, which is J plus G plus J plus G is equals to $96,000. Let us substitute this equation in this equation, and it gives 2J plus 2G is equals to 96,000, where J plus G is equals to $48,000. So now since we want to invest no more than $12,000 in G, where we can rewrite it as G is less than or equals to $12,000. Now let us solve for J and G. So now let's solve for J and G, where J plus G is equals to $48,000, and for G, which is less than or equals to $12,000. So in order to maximize the annual interest, we need to maximize the total interest expression, where the annual interest is equals to 0.16 into J plus G plus 0.07 into J plus 0.06 into G. Now we need to plug in the values of J and G from step these two equations here, which is equals to 0.16 into $48,000 plus 0.07 into J plus 0.06 into G. So after solving this to some extent, it gives the answer as 7680 plus 0.07 into J plus 0.06 into G. In order to maximize the annual interest, we need to do it as J plus $12,000, which is equals to $48,000. When completely solved, J value gives us $36,000. Now we need to calculate for uh, M using this equation. We need to keep this where M is given as $48,000. So now the final maximized annual income is equals to 7,680 plus 0.07 into $36,000 plus 0.06 into $12,000. When solved, it gives the answer as $10,920. So therefore, we say that, so as calculated, these are the values that the respective houses should have, and this is the maximum annual interest is equals to $10,920. I hope this video finds you helpful. Thank you.